Right, I'm trying a Mexican dish today in Mexico, made by my Mexican wife. So, what is this called?
It's rajas poblanas with pollito.
Alright, so chicken, pollito, chicken,
Elote,
elote,
chile poblano,
sweet corn.
cebolla.
So elote, sweet corn, pollo, chicken. What else is there?
And that's it. Only that.
What peppers is this?
It's chile poblano.
Chili poblano. It's not spicy, no? So what have I got to do to eat this?
And taquito with
Taquito,
bean.
yeah. Put the bean in first, yeah? Right. Spread it out, yeah? And then, how much of a filling do you do? Quite a bit. Yeah? So, let's try this. Alright, let's go. There's your taco. Hot. That's really good. That flavour is great. Yeah, I love that. It's really nice flavour. It's kind of creamy.
The chile is
You can taste the
different.
sweet corn a lot. The elote. What is it? The chili's different. Yeah, it is. It's more like more vegetable-y than the usual chili. Yeah, no, it's nice. Very nice. Yeah. Muchas gracias.
No.